From Latin dexteritas, skill of the right hand, nimble movements, precise control exactly as planned, with finesse and agility, tasks smoothly done like our student athlete, rising with the sun, handling life's challenges with expert ease, moving through obstacles like a gentle breeze. Accuracy, moving with skill and grace. Every challenge you face, deftly, in a skillful way, adroitly seizing the day. Synonyms abound, adroitly, skillfully, nimbly, expertly, gracefully, artfully. Antonyms reveal the opposite view, clumsily, awkwardly, things falling through. Our student juggles practice and books, balancing it all with determined looks. On the field, she moves with precision. In class, her mind makes quick decisions. With friends, she navigates social scenes, deftly handling all that life means. Etymology traces back to dexterous hands, ancient skills that time still understands. The opposite of sinister, the right not left, a legacy of language historically kept. Our student embodies this ancient word. Her skillful balance has everyone stirred. So handle your life deftly with practiced ease. Master your challenges just as you please.